The copyright page is not a required section for your thesis or dissertation. For examples of reasons why you might want to copyright your document, information on the U.S. Copyright Office, frequently asked questions, and information on embargo, please see the copyright page formatting manual on the UNLV Grad College Thesis and Dissertation website. The copyright page is inserted after the cover page of the document. The page is not numbered. The first line will have copyright by, followed by your full name as listed on my UNLV, comma, space, and then the year. Then on the next line, you will have the phrase all rights reserved. If you're submitting your document in December, you will date your copyright page for the following year. Thank you for viewing how to properly format the copyright page of your final document.